Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing the long stretch on the reformer. So the long stretch is an amazing exercise I think everyone should get down with pretty early on in the reformer practice, even if you're just holding the position. If you want to make it more challenging, you can always play with the spring setting, but it's 2 heavy springs. Your foot bar is up, headrest is up, and you want a sticky pad on here. Now, if you are really, really tall, then you can gear the reformer out. Right? For me, I'm kind of in between. If I gear out, it's almost too much, right? So what I do is instead of putting my feet on the crease of the headrest, the balls of my feet, I put them a little higher up, right? So you go hand, thumb with your finger, hand, foot. So my foot again is a little higher up than that gap, foot, heels together, toes are apart, and I'm standing on my whole ball of my foot. Try not to have your heels down, instead have your heels over your toes. Not beyond your toes, just over them. Squeeze your legs tight together, and then squeezing your legs together, press the carriage away and pull your heart forward. So I'm trying not to use my arms to push me out. That would look more like this, right? The spine should stay. So you really want to use your legs to go out and in, and let your arms be reaching from your back, kind of like the wooden pull straps. After 3 to 5 of those, you could go into your down stretch. I have seen and done, and I love, 1 spring. It makes it way more challenging. So if you're struggling to feel your stomach in this exercise, go down to 1 spring. You'll feel it, and then you'll know, oh, that's how it should be on 2 springs. Also, if you have lower back stuff, don't go down to 1 or no spring. So this is a no spring long stretch, out and in. You can see I can go not very far out, but it is really fun to challenge yourself, right, and change the springs up on yourself if you are advancing your practice or you're worried that maybe you're cheating yourself, right? So again, on 2 springs, it's really easy to let the springs bring you home. Or on 1 or none, you have to keep it all together. Otherwise, you're flying, right? So if you're struggling with you finding your leg reach in that and not overpowering with your arms, I would play with it. Make sure someone's there so your reformer doesn't go flying. And then again, if you have back issues, stick with the 2 springs, holding the position, making sure your center is on. You don't want your lower back to sink and fall as you go out and in. If you have any questions about this, please put in the comments below. I love putting the long stretch series in my workouts on onlinepilatesclasses.com. So if you enjoy it, I hope to see you there. The long stretch is part of the long stretch series, and I do think it is such a great way to feel that full body connection. So I hope you get to know and try it. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time.